Bitcoin has been crashing towards the downside exponentially after this massive breakdown. Now right now, Bitcoin is sitting at major daily support, but the question really is going to be, can we be expecting a bounce from this level, or are we headed even lower? So can we once again push up the likes back above the 150 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into that short term. And yes, yesterday after a boring weekend, we have been once again waterfalling down towards the downside. Of course, we have been having a look into this level of support over here, this golden pocket Fibonacci level of support, but even that level wouldn't hold in the slightest. We just fell down below it like it was nothing. Now right now, Bitcoin is finding some support from this level over here, but yeah, in my opinion, a way better way to have a look into this level is going to be to have a look into this daily level of support. However, the reason why Bitcoin crashed this much towards the downside yesterday was pretty much because of this news from Mt. Gox, which will be starting their repayments of about $9 billion in Bitcoin. And what you need to understand is that pretty likely this will just be additional sell pressure coming in on top of the news that Germany was also already selling $3 billion worth of Bitcoin. So yeah, all of this news coming in that so much sell pressure will be added towards Bitcoin. Of course, the markets are going to be having a negative effect towards that. But the question is really going to be, should we be panicking right now or not? Because we can actually have a look into this data, and the past 3 times whenever we got this news coming out, well, it has actually indicated near the exact bottom all of the time. And once again, this news is coming out at a massive level of daily support. So can we once again expect a little bit of a bottom, or are we going to be headed even lower? Well, usually the Bitcoin market actually tends to bottom out whenever a majority of the market is bearish, whenever the majority of the market is actually panicking, and that moment is usually whenever a huge news like this, for example, drops. And we can definitely be seeing that right now the market sentiment is shifting. Right now the market sentiment is flipping fearful. This is definitely already looking quite good in my opinion. On top of that, also the Bitcoin funding rates are flipping massively negative, on Bybit even minus 0.03% and on BitGet even minus 0.04%. So that is absolutely insane. The majority of the market is right now definitely trading short and is actually fearful right now. So yeah, definitely in my opinion, we are going to be coming closer towards that Bitcoin bottom. Yes, Bitcoin is still having that CME gap above us, but also because yesterday's move was so quick, we have also created a little bit of that CME gap down below us. Now, this is not an official CME gap from the weekend, but definitely it is still a gap, okay? And eventually I do think it will be getting filled. But still, the more important one to have a look in towards is going to be this one above us, because this one is an official weekend CME gap. Now anyways, if you are in doubt, you just need to be zooming out, and in that larger time frame, we might just be creating another huge consolidation pattern. We might be creating an ascending triangle, which is going to be extremely bullish. If we can be seeing this bounce from this level, well, we might be confirming it, and then we might be expecting this insane bullish breakout. But what is just going to be very important in my opinion is for this daily level of support to actually be getting held. Because if we are going to be falling down below, well, in that case, it will be looking very bad. Well, in that case, we are forming this double top pattern, of course. And yeah, if we are going to be falling down below, well, definitely we need to be having a look into its lower levels actually getting reached. I am going to be having a look into these support levels next, the 52.2k level, and after that, even the 44.3k and also 40.1k. In my opinion, I do not think we are going to be headed this low, but definitely, if we are going to be breaking down below this level of support, of course, we do not have any kind of support in between of these levels. We only have support coming in starting at the 52.8k level. But also definitely do keep in mind that if we are going to be getting supported by this level, it is going to be looking extremely bullish, because at that moment we are going to be forming this ascending triangle, but also more importantly, we are also going to be flipping this double top structure into a double bottom structure. And in that case, well, it is going to be looking extremely good. We just need to be breaking above these previous highs. And whenever we are going to be breaking above these previous highs, we are going to be getting an insane target. So we can easily be flipping this bearish structure into a bullish structure. Just keep that in mind. Because yes, while Bitcoin is sitting at major levels of support, we are getting actually some bottoming out signals, because on that RSI indicator, we are forming this hidden bullish divergence. Now, of course, this signal is not as powerful as a regular bullish divergence, but definitely it is something to have a look in towards. And is definitely indicating that strength might be coming in right now. Anyways, having a further look, yes, on that advanced RSI indicator from CryptoC, we can actually be seeing that it is coming below the 30. And the last time this has happened, it has indicated the exact bottom. And we can even go back even more in history. For example, right over here, it also indicated this exact bottom. So yeah, this signal is once again flashing along with all of these other signals that we have been talking about. So in my opinion, it is actually going to be pretty likely to see a little bit of a sharp bounce inevitably for Bitcoin in that short term. Now, how far can we be seeing this bounce? Well, we need to be having a look into the first level of resistance. And in my opinion, the first major level of resistance is already going to be coming in at the 63.6k level. Of course, we initially found resistance from it over here, and also we got supported right over here, and whenever we fell down below, well, that was the moment where we crashed towards the downside. So I think this is going to be a massive level for Bitcoin. I will be expecting at least some consolidation before we are going to be making this decision if we are either going to be at it even lower or if we are going to be seeing this further bounce. So yeah, if you are going to be getting interested in trading, definitely make sure to check out that link down below, because over on Margex, you can be trading with up to 100x leverage, and right now you can be claiming this $5 million airdrop on Hamster. So yeah, there are 3 easy steps to claim your tokens. The first thing is you need to be signing up with that link down below, actively trade on the platform, and then wait until the end of the airdrop and claim your free tokens. Every sign up can be claiming up to $5,000 of these tokens. And also already, if you're going to be using that link down below, you're also already going to be getting a free $50 on your initial sign up. And also whenever you deposit $100, another $50 completely for free. Also 20% on top of whatever you're going to be depositing, and you can be covering up to 50% of your trading fees. So definitely make sure to be checking it out. Anyways, yes, this correction we are seeing right now, maybe in hindsight, it is just going to be a gift. Because what you need to keep in mind is that we have been trading so fast towards the upside in this bull market. We have actually basically not seen any significant corrections during this move towards the upside. We have only seen corrections of minus 20%. Also, these corrections over here, for example, did not last very long, and we have been just going up consistently towards the upside. And right now we are pretty much getting our first major correction, major consolidation. Like we can be seeing right now, June is going to be closing in a negative, just like we have seen in April. But other than that, well, this whole bull market has pretty much been green all along. So yeah, of course, we need to be seeing some corrections along the way. We have already been grinding up so quickly towards the upside. So for this bull market to go a little bit slower right now from this point onwards definitely isn't bad in my opinion. Now Bitcoin might actually be creating a new bull flag pattern. So yeah, if we are going to be bouncing from of this level over here, from of this level of support, we can actually still be expecting that we are going to be seeing that massive move getting initiated. Of course, I've already been talking about this double bottom formation we might be forming, so we just need to be holding this level of support. If we're going to be holding above that is going to be looking insanely good. So yeah, also the Bitcoin RSI reaching levels not seen ever since August of 2023. We are reaching these oversold levels, while do still keep in mind we are still trading inside of this bull market, looking at all of the on-chain indicators and all of the calculations. So anyways guys, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me over on Twitter. And guys, with that being said, I'll see you guys in another update video tomorrow morning.